In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record the purchase of a motor vehicle. Fixed Asset Tutorial 2025. First, sign into your Xero account and head to Contacts, then All Contacts. Find your motor vehicle dealer in the list and open their contact. From here, click New and choose Bill. This keeps the purchase tied to the supplier and sets you up for clean reconciliation later. On the bill, enter the supplier, the invoice date, and the vehicle's invoice number exactly as shown on the dealer's paperwork. Accuracy here helps with audit trails and makes future searches easy. In the line items, change the account to your motor vehicles at cost fixed asset account. This ensures the vehicle is recorded on your balance sheet rather than hitting your profit and loss as an expense. Next, choose the correct tax setting. If your purchase includes GST, select the appropriate GST tax code for the portion that's taxable. If part of the price is non-GST, allocate that portion to the same motor vehicles at cost account with a non-tax code. Your goal is simple. The subtotal plus tax equals the invoice total. Double check the math before moving on. When everything matches, save the bill or approve it if you're ready to post it. If you don't see a motor vehicles at cost account in your chart, you can set it up first. Go to Accounting, then Chart of Accounts, and add an asset account named Motor Vehicles at Cost. You'll also want a contra asset account called Less Accumulated Depreciation on Motor Vehicles. These two work together so you can depreciate the asset correctly over time. Use clear codes and descriptions so your team knows exactly what each account is for. With the bill recorded, register the asset so Xero can calculate depreciation automatically. Go to Accounting, then Fixed Assets, and click New Asset. Enter the key details such as the asset name, purchase date, and cost. Choose Motor Vehicles as the asset type and link it to the Motor Vehicles at Cost account and the accumulated depreciation account you set up. Then choose your depreciation method, like straight line or diminishing value, and set the effective life based on your policy or local guidelines. When you're happy with the setup, click Register to add it to your asset register. That's it. You've captured the supplier bill correctly, set up the right accounts, and registered the vehicle so depreciation runs smoothly going forward.